So BeaverCraft sent me this, it's labeled as a leather paddle strop, but I believe that basically means a knife sharpening tool. So I think they have a nice logo, kind of like the, I don't know if chrome is the right word, but the box design is nice. There's a bit of an advertisement on the back where it's made, and let's just dump out everything and see what we get. So, looking in the box, I think that's, looks like it's about everything. I'm not entirely sure what this is, but I'll look at the listing and double check. So this is the strop or the paddle. So it's got two sides. So this one is a bit fabric-y, I guess. Not entirely sure what the right word is. And this one is more what's the word? It's not as like a cloth texture, I guess. So I hope it's okay for me to be touching these. I worry that getting hand oils and stuff on it might be bad. I'm gonna double check the product listing though and try and get a bit more info on what you use this for. Okay, I found out a couple of things. So this polish is used for getting ready and making sure that this is in tip-top shape for getting your blades ready to be sharpened. And so the differences between these is this is technically a rougher edge for getting out, I think burrs was the word they used, but kind of the more rougher stuff, and then this smoother side is for really polishing and getting your blade sharp. And it's not just for like your typical like knives, but also for like chisel knives and similar things. It actually seems pretty robust in terms of the different things you can use this for. But this is, I think this brand is well designed. They clearly put a lot of effort and love into what they make, and I did get a knife sharpening kit before, or just a honing stone, and I'm worried I didn't use it for a long time because I was worried I would use it wrong or ruin the stone or my blades. I think this seems a bit more straightforward and easier to use, so I think it's pretty cool. I hope laying it on this blanket also doesn't ruin it. I just worry about messing this stuff up regardless. But yeah, if you have a big blade collection or chisels and you need to get them sharpened, pick one of these up. They're pretty neat and good for what they offer. Also, there's a little hole if you want to tie in a what's the word? Like a little string to hold on to it easier. Anyway.